we're going to Meadowhall for my birthday. We're going to Smiggle again. Let's go. Leave the blows here. I want the big one.
Slime lab.
Get it down.
Don't drop it then.
I need this.
What is it?
Make your own putty. Can make lots of little.
How much?
It's 13.
Yeah.
But how much is the small one? 7. But I want the big one.
Slime lab, make your own putty. Glow in the dark. There's not much in it.
There's a small one, but that looks horrible. This one's colourful.
You want that for your birthday?
Yes. I need this one.
Let me move. Look, she's got a slime lab. Here, give it to Liza. Here.
Slide out. Let me see if I might choose one.
Okay.
Because there's other things to like hit inside. So I don't want.
You don't want it? For your birthday? Why you read a book on how to make slime?
I don't have any.
Or kitchen science?
Wreck this journal. You're supposed to. Oh, this is what thingy has. So basically, you have to wreck this journal. So basically, what you do is you have to stand here, wipe your feet, and jump down. You have to wreck it.
What do you mean wreck it?
Zara has one of these, I think. It's fat lines.
What
This is like, it's a journal they have to ruin. So on every page it tells you a way to ruin it. So on the first page you have to on the first page you have to stand here, wipe your feet on it and jump and down. And then on the second page you have to fling your coffee here. You just spill coffee on that page. And then here
Tammy wants it for his birthday.
poke holes in this page.
Well, you don't want to read a book, so you might as well rip a book.
To do handprints or fingerprints
Innit?
of this.
You don't want to get a reading book.
You have to colour this entire
This is perfect for Sammy.
Look, listen, you have to throw
You can
some
stamp on it.
pencil dipped in paint in this one.
That's perfect for you, innit?
You have to ruin this book. How much? I really want
How much?
I really want to ruin this book.
£10.
10 now, forget it. I don't need to. I can just get an ordinary book and write down.
Yeah.
And then
£10.
for a normal book.
What is it? What are you doing, Mr. Gogi? She's got a slime lab.
Look at this nice fluffy toy. He doesn't like you.
Oh, no, that happens.
Look at this toy. Look at it. It doesn't like you. It's bubble. It's got bubble in it. Look, it's got bubble in it. It doesn't like you.
You scared? Be careful, Liza, it'll bite you. How'd you do it?
Now we're going to open my birthday presents and Liza's half birthday presents. Okay, so take them. That's your first present. I'll open this one, which you two should know. Container. It's a gumball machine.
But you got Liza. Let me wait for Liza.
Break the flag.
Who bought you that? Who bought you the tiger?
It's not tiger, it's I don't know what it is.
Who bought it you?
It's a cheetah.
Liza, who bought it you? Liza, who bought it you?
You bought it.
Daddy.